In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to an event and send invitations in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a meeting, a conference, or a simple get-together, knowing how to effectively use Google Calendar's invitation feature can make sure everyone stays informed and prepared. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply opening a new tab in your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once you've got the page loaded up, you'll see a full view of your schedule, packed with all the events you've created or been invited to. Now let's say you have an existing event on your calendar that you want to invite guests to. Locate that event within your calendar view. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a window that shows the event details, like the time, the date, and perhaps a few notes you've added. To make changes to this event, you'll want to look for the pencil icon. It's usually located right at the top of the event window. Click on this pencil icon to enter the edit mode, where you can modify various aspects of your event. This is where the magic happens when it comes to adding guests. In the edit event window, you'll notice a section labeled guests. This is your gateway for adding participants to your event. Click within this field and start typing the email address of the person you'd like to invite. An important note to keep in mind is that when you start typing, Google Calendar may suggest email addresses based on your contacts. When you see the correct email address pop up, go ahead and click on it to add that person. Adding guests via their email address is not only efficient, but also ensures that the invitation gets sent exactly where it needs to go. Once you've populated the guest list with everyone you'd like to invite, take a moment to double check the details of your event. Make sure the date, time, and any location details are accurate so there's no confusion when your guests receive their invitations. Finally, once you've confirmed everything is correct, it's time to click the Save button. It will be located towards the top right of the editing window. But before sending, Google might prompt you to send invitations to the newly added guests. Confirm this option, and your invitations will be on their way. And there you have it, a straightforward process to ensure everyone you need is invited to your event. With just a few clicks, you can manage your gatherings with ease and precision, making sure everything is organized and communicated efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy planning.